Hi, I'm Britlish and I'm here to bring you today's phrase of the day. Today's phrase is, to cost an arm and a leg. When we say that something costs an arm and a leg, we mean that it is extremely expensive. Just because something cost an arm and a leg, it is not always true that it was worth it. Some people say that you get what you pay for. This can be true, but prices are often artificially inflated to make the thing you are buying seem more valuable than it is. Take diamonds, for instance. Diamonds cost an arm and a leg, but you don't get what you pay for. All you get when you buy a diamond is a sparkly piece of carbon, the same stuff that coal is made of. Diamond marketers have convinced people that diamonds are more valuable than they really are, so that they can charge an arm and a leg for them. I'm sure you've seen websites offering English courses that cost an arm and a leg. They play on the idea that you get what you pay for. Unfortunately, the content of these courses often leaves students feeling that they've been ripped off. That's why we at Britlish let you decide how much you want to pay for our fantastic lessons. Because you can pay what you want to pay for unrestricted access to the Britlish library, your English studies will never cost you an arm and a leg. Whether you choose to pay the minimum or much more, your Britlish library pass will always be incredible value for money. At Britlish, we guarantee that you will quickly improve your English without it costing you an arm and a leg. If you want more phrases of the day, please click the like button and leave a comment. I'll be back.